What's good, guys? So we finally made it to Osaka, and it's kind of like in the afternoon right now. It's exactly 6:13, and we're gonna go to where? Dotonbori, just to do some city stuff, maybe find some good food, maybe shop a little if we're near some cool stores. And yeah, let me just bring y'all along then. So like I mentioned before, we're going to Dotonbori. Osaka is giving me those Tokyo vibes, but I don't know. We'll see how it goes, see what we see, and yeah, let's go.
You just go through with that recording day tonight, just as good as you possibly can. I'll do that for me. Yes, sir. I will.
All right, so we made it. It already looks pretty cool. Hoping to find some good eats in there. So yeah, let's go inside. What's up, guys? It's the next day. We're still in Osaka. We came out here to check out the Osaka castle, and just check this out. They got a moat. You probably had it filled with alligators and stuff for the enemies. But yeah, it looks pretty cool in here. We're just outside, but we about to go in, so let's go. Alright, so the way this works is you actually go all the way to the top, and it costs $6 to get in, and then you just work your way to the bottom. But check out this view from up here. You can see everything and everyone. So now we came to Shinsekai. It's a cool road of a bunch of signs and the tower that's pretty famous around here. So I'm hoping to get some really cool shots. And if you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Nacho Travel. Make sure to do so. That's where I post most of my travel pictures. And I guess after that, we'll just find some good food around here, and yeah. So let's go.